How to fix I can't follow on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the issue if you can't follow anyone on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first factor that you want to consider is that you may have been following a lot of people in a row. So just open the TikTok app right here, and for example, if you have gone to a certain profile and have gone through a list of their followers and just followed all of these randomly, you may not be able to follow accounts on TikTok during that day anymore. So there is a limit on how many people you can follow in one day according to TikTok's terms and conditions. So this limit is around 140 people, usually for new accounts. So there actually isn't a way to get around this, so you should just be more selective about the accounts that you follow and interact with the ones that you do have before mass following people. So just avoid doing that so that you can follow the people that you actually like to follow. The next step that we are going to do is to check TikTok servers. So if TikTok is actually having technical issues within their servers, that might be the factor where you can't follow anyone on TikTok. So to check about this, let's just go on to Safari or to any browser that you have on your phone and search for TikTok Down Detector. And click on the Down Detector site right here. And see if many people are experiencing a problem with TikTok. So if many people are experiencing server issues or there is a problem indicated, that might be the factor if you can't follow anyone on TikTok. So the next way that we can try is to restart the app. So to do this, just press and hold and swipe up a bit from the top part of the screen right here and just swipe up the TikTok application right here so that it will stop from running in the background. After that, you can check if you can follow more people. If that still does not work, make sure that you will check your network connection if it is stable. So just go to the settings and to your Wi-Fi and make sure that there is no issues indicated right here, or just go to Safari and click on internet speed test right here and see if your internet speed is stable and fast. And the last thing that we are going to do is to clear the cache on TikTok. So to do that, let's just open TikTok right here, go to a profile page and click on this 3-bar line at the top right corner, click on settings and privacy, and there is an option to clear cache. So just click on that and it will clear the cache, because when your app cache gets corrupted, it might cause TikTok to not work correctly. So that is how you can basically fix the issue of being not able to follow anyone on TikTok.
So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.